I should have the piccolo off camera, right?
Yeah, we'll clap it in again.
No, the clap's done. The clap's done. Like,
The clap's
you don't
done.
need to clap again, but we can clap again.
I finished my piccolo.
Because do you know what the clap's for? It's syncing the audio from the camera to the really sick audio here.
Really?
So
So when you edit, you drag the clap.
because the clap's a big
Yeah.
spike. It's like someone turning on their hot water. And I'm like, there's the fucking,
Is that what it is?
And I'm like,
Yeah, I thought we did it like a action.
nah. Well, that's the same thing actually. The clapboard that you see in the movies is creating a really high frequency pitch in
Yeah.
a split second,
Yeah.
and then when the audio picks it up, it just sees this spike.
No way.
So that, because they got dudes with the mics like this, they heaps
So
of different
true.
audio
And if
sources.
one little bit of audio's out for a production.
Nightmare.
Wow.
So, and they got how many cameras they got? They probably got 8 cameras on one scene
Yep.
to line up that external audio spike with it.
That's insane. I had no idea. Alrighty.
So we'll
let's
clap it in.
Reclap.